To project a building section, first make a vertical cut through the entire structure. After a vertical plane slices through the construction, remove one of the parts. The building section is an orthographic projection of the portion that remains, cast onto a picture plane parallel to the plane of the incision. This cut opens up a building's interior to reveal the vertical dimensions and arrangement of spaces. Beyond the plane of the cut, we see interior wall elevations as well as objects that occur in front of them. As with floor plans, it is important to graphically differentiate the cut material from the spaces beyond the plane of the cut. The easiest way to do this is to profile what is cut with a heavy line weight. In drawing a building section, we begin with the lines which regulate the positions of major horizontal and vertical elements. Once the ordering system is established, give the cut elements their proper thickness. Next, emphasize the shapes of cut elements with a heavy line weight. Use intermediate line weights to delineate edges of surfaces beyond the section cut, and the lightest line weights to represent lines on surfaces. To convey a stronger sense of depth, give the cut a tonal value. We refer to this darkening as poché. Remember that the ground mass is also cut in building sections. The tonal value of the section cut should continue into the supporting ground mass. A second approach is to reverse the value scheme and render the cut elements as white figures against a spatial field of darker values. Emphasize the section cut as well as convey a greater sense of depth. We can also render the shadows cast by the cut elements.